Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. And today I'll be showing you how to tie different styles of scarves. So if you're interested in such videos, please stay tuned to the end of this video. First of all, you must know that your scarf should be really long like this. So this is my scarf, and then I'm going to fold it into two. Then I'll put it on my head like this. So we continue. Then what I'm just going to do is that I'm going to roll this. I really love this particular way of tying my scarf. Then I'm going to tie it here. I'm going to tie it the second time so it can be very tight. Then I will take this one. Like this, then I'm going to arrange it at the back of it. Then I would also shook it in, shook this one too in, shook this one too in, and this is the first size, so I'm going to arrange it properly. Do you like it? Do you like it? vibe this one is actually giving. So look at yourself, you can take to it and you still maintain being elegant. I'm going to show you the last style. Put it into two like this thing. You place it like this from the back. Or you're just going to move it like this to the back. Then you tie it. Because my hair is a braid. Yeah. Then while I move it like this, all I need to do is to form a bun at the back. So just watch and see. Giving us the check, girl. So I'm sorry, I'm going to adjust my leg so as